Hey YouTube family, happy Monday, blessed day to you and family. Dad.
Yes, morning YouTube family, good morning.
Yes, so I'm here now. Today is Monday. I have a cooking video. You also the Sunday dinner video before this one. So I was supposed to use this with this mango here. Actually, I'm making porridge for Dad. Dad, when I started, Dad's favorite porridge is cornmeal porridge. So he never really asked for it, but I have been craving it for the longest while. And to be honest, I think it's almost 6 months now. I make no cornmeal porridge, if I not lie. It is his favorite of all the porridge. But he love the oats and banana where they do the flaxseed. And I like that one. But me feel like me that drink some more the banana. But me I give him the benefit because his favorite porridge is cornmeal. I will drink cornmeal porridge, but it's not my favorite. So you know somebody mouth of water now or a joule. So I had this mango, as you will see in the video, or if you have seen, because you're going to see that video before you see this. I was going to put it with the carrot, but I just changed my mind. And then we just add straight carrot, which was really refreshing. Yes, so look here now. Yes, some ginger tea for drink. I have my ginger tea warm, so I throw it up now. Put no sugar in the because mango is sweet. I eat my mango, drink my ginger tea. And then I get going. I have coconut right there, so I take out of the freezer. I put coconut milk in that porridge and maybe like a regular milk, not condensed milk though. Now the condensed milk not French, so I'm gonna be eating this mango, drinking some ginger tea. When you see me next, I'm gonna start on that cornmeal porridge. And I hope that you and the fam bam, if you're at home, if your husband or your half is at home with you, I hope that you're having a beautiful day. And when you see this video, if your husband or your other half or you or your kids or your family love cornmeal porridge, it will motivate you, push you, give that urge if you make some cornmeal porridge. We love porridge. We love porridge, especially me and Dad. I think Jerry's favorite porridge is straight banana. I don't know what camera girl one is. My favorite porridge is oats porridge. Tell me in the comment section what is your favorite porridge. Oh YouTube fam, I am back. Me just eat my mango. I have my ginger tea here. Take time and sip it. I'm gonna be cutting up my coconut to blend, and may I try mix out the right there. I have the I don't know the what is something the name, Dad? Cinnamon and nutmeg maize. Me have it a boil out, and this is not the real coarse grain cornmeal, and this is not the refined. Honestly, me not really not really refined one too tough, cause that coming like. It coming like to me the refined cornmeal and the coarse grain cornmeal is like brown sugar and granulated sugar. I don't know, just me that. So this is like a sort of medium grain. It's not the original old time long time coarse grain one, because the original coarse grain one is not as bright as this until you start cooking it. You'd realize that, Dad? It have a light yellow. When it starts to cook now, that is when it becomes this bright yellow. So when you see them, I'm gonna get some and show it to you. I'm gonna get some of the original, cause things changing and time changing a family. I notice it too, Daddy. Everything packaged and but if you go supermarket now, you have to forget the old time original coarse grain cornmeal. You have to get it in the bulk tie out one. Right, so I like them start package it and seal it. The coarse grain one them is like coming like say nobody not really cater for that, or most people don't know say that is the strongest one. So I'm gonna get one of the original first time coarse grain one and show it. It has a light color, it's not bright light that, and you still have some bright on this steak and see something them put in it. But me I go on.
It's harder to cook, that's why.
Nobody no want to do nothing harder again. Everybody want the easier way out. And then I realize that the easier way out right now, most time not always the best thing, you know. You know, but everybody have them own theory. So I froze the coconut, so I kinda just thing that it have. Kinda get it soft. Because sometimes when we dig it out, because sometimes we get a lot of coconut, you know. So I always dig them out, wash them and cut them. But sometimes, to be honest, family, the workload, the mood, everything you know, allow you to cut them up. Sometimes you hardly even have the time to get them out of the shell. You know, some days you have the time when you sit down, but there's so much to put your hand to. You dig it out and you have to do something, you dig it out and put it down. If you don't mind sharp, it just all spoil pan you, because you know, remember to cut it up. You know, remember to rinse it off and freeze it. But sometimes it's there already made, cut up, but sometimes it's not there. So I have to just just take off like a water, rinse it off with the tap water, and then kind of soften it back and cut it up. That's how I do it, cause okay. First time people used to say me little like a country, you can't go no more, so you know. Simple meaning that some of the times you just can't push it too much, you have to just let it be. Is what I say, what you say about that, Dad?
Yeah, man.
Family comment. Sometimes you can't go no more, so sometimes you can't just push it too much, you have to just let it be.
Yeah.
You dig it out and you can't get for cut it up, you just rinse it off and freeze it same way.
Yeah.
There is another way out, just you know, put a pipe water upon it and soften it, cut it up when you're ready to do it. Sometimes when you're ready, you don't even have the energy. You're not even in the, not even the energy, you're not in the mood. The mood. Feel like what me I do, you know. So eat my Julie mango. Drink some, I drink up my go and drink up my little ginger tea. And me I cut up my coconut. After this a new week. Today is the last day in the second month of the year. Yet still it is the first day of a new working week. Make sure that you're praying. You pray for your family and loved ones. Make sure that you're, you know, just making God the center of your family. If you're a single person, it doesn't matter. Make him the center. Make sure say if husband no want pray, make sure you pray. Husband, if wife no want pray, make sure you pray. Kids, if parents don't want to pray, you pray. Somebody, there must be some praying person in the household. Alright, so when you see me now, I'm supposed to have Camille in a pot. Remember, I'm not teaching you to do it in a tutorialist. We don't really do tutorials on this channel. So if you are here watching, and you see me doing this and you'd like to know how to do this step by step, make this porridge, you can go to my cooking channel. I have got a playlist of porridges there. Go check it out. And I think the most done porridge there is cornmeal porridge. I've done it quite a few times. So don't stop to say in the comments, oh, what's the use of not showing us? I would like to see, you know, you'd like to see there is a cooking channel where we show you step by step. You cannot miss making this porridge and get it coming out successful. So I'm gonna cut my coconut up and you want me to drink my little ginger tea. I'll catch you in the next video. Hey, family porridge in a pot now. I'm a flaxseed it up here. Yeah. See there? So I'm gonna turn it down now on my left. Yeah, so hear me now. You see this porridge here? A lot of people don't understand the power of cornmeal porridge in that. You know? Yeah. It is a very powerful porridge. You see how it pops? It is good. Them something that build your body, you know, family. Them something that strengthen your nerves, you know. Build your body. Porridge and soup, me always. Because Dad love porridge and him love. But your favorite soup one now? Red peas now? Dad loves porridge. This is Dad's favorite. Remember back in the days from the I was 3-4 times a week that I get a big bowl of this to breakfast. You see that? So it have body to take the milk. So I want some water right here. So now, yeah. So here what go happen now. You see that popping here? Is that thing where me know, you see that? So what I go do, I not go cover it so you know. Or else it go steam and drip water when not good. So just I go deal with it on that level. Any level where the pot where this can stay. This should have be the you can do so. So I deal with it. So once it have a little opening, you're good to go. Yeah, once it see it have a little opening, you're good to go. If you just safeguard from the popping. Alright, turn it down low. So I go get the coconut milk here going now. Yeah. I go get it going. I use all of this because I want it rich and nice because I don't know condensed milk for me. You know do that nothing but me and the condensed milk now friend it down. Me no in forever since over the decades. Me just minimal if me I use it. So me go a country where there I'ma put just a small amount in my porridge with Uncle Murphy them and they sit and turn me over draining sinus. I'm not ramp with it. I just try to know where great meaning I condensed milk. Not at all. The plain milk, the plain everyday, not 2%. I don't use 2% milk condensed. I'm not in an almond milk neither. So I just made that. But the regular 100% cow's milk, it don't do me anything. But the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, if me use it too much, but if me just use it every now and then, yeah. But I have the remedy for it still, you know, because if my sinus start drain, I just eat. Whenever I boil cloves tea, I just chew up. If them small, I chew up 3, drink all it, chew it up fine, you know. And you know that will stick in your throat. Whenever I with the tea, now time for make the tea, I just chew it up as it is. It works better for me. So I'm going to do this coconut milk here now. Family! Nice but dangerous porridge. You see it? Whoops! So once me get some of that, a bad boy, you know. That's why that a bad piece of boy, this is the family. Come in porridge, yeah. So me get some milk in. You see him round there going like him a bad man. Yeah. Bad piece of boy, nice but powerful boy this in that. Yeah. Yeah, mixing the coconut milk here, boy. Boy, serious, you know that. It's when do the pot cover family with the popping. Serious, brother, this. But powerful. From the very look, if you don't know anything about porridge, but from the very look and how you see how powerful it pops when it's cooking, you know this is a strong porridge. And back then, man, in the days, you know, them something here with old people, them give it. When baby reach 3 months, you start to get this, not true. I never think nobody about them get them baby again, you know. Nobody in them they sitting there. And the milk powder where you get at school.
Yeah.
My mother said every picnic she have, she said every baby me have, 7 months my picnic then walk. She said you are the only one, I must show me a girl, 9 months. 7 months for your picnic then get up to now. Good old calming part of the time of the goat milk, you know. She a give them me weight, so. Yeah, we nice, you know, We nice, you know, with this. I'm putting my salt and my vanilla already. I have none of the yellow one. You see this? Yeah, we nice, you know. Nice consistency. I don't want it too watery. I don't want it no thicker. And when it cools down, yeah, so I make it another 10 minutes. And the flaxseed get up in it, it go on. And I left me nothing, mace them in it. So this one is cornmeal porridge and flaxseed family. Make sure say in a cold weather you know I get in some, you know. Make sure I feed enough family at least 3 times for the month this porridge. Jamaican, if you're not Jamaican and you would like to know how to make this porridge, go to my YouTube channel, cooking channel, check out my playlist of porridge. This is a beautiful, it's a powerful porridge. I think planting too. I don't know what that is, and the plant which one more powerful, you know. And the plant rough too, you know, if you put all this on the plant, you know, together. No, it can go, you know. Alright, I'll cool down on the steering now, because I don't want it on water. So I saw me have to have the spoon, guide it for me. And it's wooden spoon, so I'm good to go. So I have extra milk, so I'm going to put it up now, freeze it. So when I see me back again, the porridge is supposed to ready. I think I'm going to eat one piece of toast. I'm not even salt with the toast, you know. But I'm going to try because I feel greedy. So family, porridge is ready. This is Dad's. This is for me. And we are making porridge cool out because this porridge carries a lot of heat. It holds a lot of heat too. So this is how we put up a flaxseed in a heat. So we have it here, it's been cooling out, and look at this. You see the thing we form on top. You see we move it. That's that thing there. The cream of the coconut make it form on top. My daddy, when he got his cornmeal porridge, yes, he loves cornmeal porridge. I just remember said daddy was his favorite porridge was cornmeal. And he would drink banana, but number 1, he would let his porridge wait until they have goat milk, yeah, rich, until this cream thing on the top form in and drinking porridge same time. So all coconut milk, I didn't put any other milk family. Thanks for watching. we're going to enjoy our cornmeal porridge now. We didn't bother with any toast. And if you know anything about this porridge, it is going to make you drink a lot of water all through the day. So you won't get so hungry as with the other is a porridge. It forces you the cornmeal as it goes through your system. I don't know. All time people say it's swelling and force you. I don't know. But what I know about it, for me, it forces me to drink a lot of water and flushes out your system. There, after that, now it starts, straightens anything inside there, flush it out, drink well for water. It's more like a detox if you can drink 3-4 times for the week. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you did enjoy some Monday morning breakfast with me and Dad. You're going to enjoy our porridge. If I did have crackers, but I put few crackers. Maybe I put few pieces of bread in it. I'm not sure. But I love my porridge with bread break up. But said I was gonna do toast, but I forgot to take down toast off a fridge that I can't bother. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Remember to make sure you subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell. Press the option that says all. Continue to support right across our 4 channels. We can't say thanks enough. And remember, check out my playlist of porridges on the cooking channel if you want to make this porridge. And tell me, what's your favorite porridge? And until I see you again on this camera, it's gonna be what, Dad?
Cornmeal porridge.
Alright, new one.